day 3, last full day in Cancun, guys. Sadly. But right now we are headed downstairs to eat some breakfast, and then we are headed to Isla Mujeres to do some snorkeling, which is fun. And both of us have never been to Isla Mujeres, so it'll be something new for us. And it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good day. So let's see. We're gonna get some breakfast real quick, and see you soon. Jess and I got our little tubes, and we're waiting for the boat. So it's official. We're about to go snorkeling. It's gonna be really fun. It's like a really nice day today, and can't wait. Super excited. Apparently, you get to go on like a coral reef. So unlike yesterday, how it was like really bland, like black and white. You know, there was like no color in the coral reefs and stuff. Today, the coral reefs apparently, I'm hoping it's gonna be like really colorful. So excited right now. So we're just waiting, and it's like super nice outside, guys. Hold up. It's like really nice outside today. A bit windy, but it's all good. We are currently in Isla Mujeres. We stopped by the island. Earlier we went to the island to eat. Now we're on another island of Isla Mujeres. And this time we get to actually explore and go shopping and do everything just on our own for about 2 hours. And then we're just gonna have a lot of fun. So it's gonna be a good time. Yeah, we're gonna get a golf cart too. It's gonna be a good time. What you got there, baby?
Hey, ask for ice cream.
¿Eh?
Damn.
Ay, falta un peso además. Agárralo, está ahí, lo vas a jugar. Go. No pena. Ahora sí, toma doble.
Jineteando en mi caballo, por la sierra yo me voy. Las estrellas y la luna ellas me dicen dónde voy. Ay, 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 ay.
So, we just got back to the hotel. Actually, we just showered, got dressed, and headed downstairs. It's supposed to be like a fancier restaurant, so I put on some joggers today. Put on some loafers. Jess actually put on jeans and stuff. But we're headed to probably gonna eat two different restaurants. We're gonna eat the Mexican restaurant and Italian. So let's see you down there. So I definitely don't show you guys enough food of like this trip, but I have ceviche, Caesar salad, some quinoa, and some chicken with barbecue sauce. Jess went the super healthy route, and she got some.
I went the real Mexican route.
Everything fried pretty much, including.
This is baked chicken.
Okay.
Rice.
All right. Fried rice, fried tostada, pretty much everything.
Lasagna.
So second plate, pretty much all ceviche, and one plate of pico de gallo, but octopus ceviche, vegetable ceviche, that's kind of weird, ceviche, fish ceviche, and pico. Well, Cancun, it's been real. What an amazing 4 days. So many fun things we did, so much food that we ate, and we're leaving today. But we're kind of leaving on time, I guess, because the weather is not very good today. It's like super windy outside, and it seems like the rain is coming. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Hopefully our flight doesn't get delayed. So peace out, and until next time. All right, guys, made it back to Houston, and Jess and I would like to thank each and every single one of you for following us on this. Okay, she's over there on the phone. Jess and I would like to thank each and every single one of you for watching our video and following us along our journey in Cancun. We had a blast. Amazing time. And hopefully we'll be back one day, but hope you all enjoyed the footage. Thank you all so much for watching, and love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.